Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. This video is designed to show you how to edit an event in NeverAlone Event Control, and specifically how to add bands to your event. As you can see, we're in the event control software already and we're logged in as an administrator. In order to edit an event, we need to first go into the client. Okay, we're into our demo client now, and as you can see there's only one site listed. You can obviously have multiple sites for each client if you need to. I'm going to go into that, and then again I'm just going to pick the Super Transmission Festival, which is our demonstration festival. Here you go, you can see now that we're into the event setup screen. In order to add bands to the event, click onto the Participants tab and you can see that you can add the name of all of the participants. I say bands, it doesn't have to be bands, it can be football teams, rugby teams, political commentators, and so on. There's no limitations to the type of event you can use this software for. Just for our benefits today, we're going to go with bands. So let's add a couple of bands onto the list. Let's go with the Levelers. Okay, and let's say Red Hot Chili Peppers as well. It's going to be quite an eclectic festival. Okay, and finally we'll say, completely random, Carnival. Okay, and let's say that the Levelers are the headlining act, and let's put a tick box in the Police Intelligence button for Carnival. Right, so we've got 3 bands on our festival billing now. We can add tracks to them as well. So if we're privy to the set list before the event kicks off, we can add the set list onto the system. This might sound irrelevant, but this allows our operator, when the crowd's in full swing, to log crowdsurf information alongside the particular track. May not help you on the first day, but the next time this person comes to town, there's the opportunity of looking at your history, seeing how many crowdsurfers came over each song, and maximising your personnel. You know where to put the personnel, and you can boost your pit teams when you need to. Okay, I'm just going to add a couple of tracks onto the Levelers now, so let's add One Way, and let's add Beautiful Day. Okay, so they're added on there for you. Now a feature that's new on the latest version of Event Control is Crowd Intelligence. That is, our software is now able to talk with fellow Crowd Intelligence subscribers across the globe, and it shares information on the crowd situations. In order to do this, we need to first link the act to the Crowd Intelligence database. You need to be on the internet to do this, so if you're running a remote control room in a festival environment, it may be better to do this in the office before you take the machine out. All you simply need to do, click Attach Participants, and the system confirms that we'd like to link into the Crowd Intelligence system, so say yes to that. And you can see 2 of the acts have turned green. These acts that have turned green, so the Levelers and Carnival, that means there's information held on the database for these artists. There's nothing as yet for the Red Hot Chili Peppers, but as information comes through, it would be added on. The sort of information you can get from Crowd Intelligence system, I'm just going to go into Carnival now. As you can see, you've got the number of crowd surfers that have come over. You've got the percentage of the audience that were crowd surfing, police and medical incidents, whether there was any police intelligence on the band last time they played. So as we can see there on the first, there was police intelligence there. Some of the other information that may be useful we have, you can see how many touts have been picked up, how much tout activity there is, whether it's a family friendly crowd, whether the band was a headliner or a support artist. And another quite interesting one here, you can see the percentage turnout. So for example, we can see the tickets available versus the turn up, and the crowd size that happened, how many people the band actually attracted versus how many they could have sold to. We can also see the bar spend if you're able to input that information, the other artists on the billing, and also you've got 3 words. These are the instinctive gut feelings we ask people to key in when they debrief an event, just to say what they felt about that act. I'm just going to close the screen down now. So that's a simple way that you can add artists to an event. This obviously on the front screen of Event Control can then be controlled. It can be added to, you can add crowd surfers, you can add police incidents, and it tags them all onto the artist and passes them through to concert intelligence at the end of the event. If you've got any further questions on this, or you'd like to discuss the event control software with one of our team, please drop an email through to either support@never-alone.co.uk or sales@never-alone.co.uk. Failing that, you can always reach us on the telephone. Our number is 0845 6899 364. Thank you for listening.